In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print shipping labels on Squarespace website 2025. Before you can confidently print labels, you need your shipping methods set up correctly in Squarespace. Start by opening your site's dashboard. From there, head into your site settings, then open the selling section. This is where all of your commerce-related tools live. Look for the prompt to set up shipping rates for your store and select it. Shipping rates are what your customers will see at checkout, and they also inform the label options you'll have later when you fulfill orders. Choose Add Shipping option to begin. First, set up a simple flat rate. This is great for predictable costs, like a standard fee for domestic orders. Give the option a clear name customers will understand, add a short description if helpful, set the price, choose the regions or zones it applies to, and save. A quick tip. Use a flat rate for small, lightweight items or bundles where you know your average cost. Head back into selling, then into shipping again to add more choices. Click Add Shipping option and select weight-based. This is ideal if your catalog varies in size and weight. Create tiers like 0 to 1 pound, 1 to 5 pounds, and so on, and assign prices to each tier. Make sure your products have accurate weights in their product settings. Without that, weight-based rules won't apply correctly at checkout. Save when you're done. Next, add a real-time option. Click Add Shipping option once more and choose Carrier Calculated. Here, you'll connect carrier rates that calculate live at checkout based on weight, dimensions, and destination. Enter your ship from address so carriers can be displayed. This address should match where you physically hand off packages. Then review the available services and select the ones you want to offer, like standard or expedited. You can also add a percentage-based adjustment, sometimes called a handling fee, to cover packaging or unexpected surcharges. Keep it modest so your pricing stays competitive. Save these settings. At this point, you've built a well-rounded shipping setup: flat rate for simplicity, weight-based for precision, and carrier calculated for live accuracy. That combination gives you flexibility at checkout and makes fulfillment smoother. When orders come in, you'll be able to generate labels that align with the methods your customers chose. As a final tip, place a test order in your store to verify that each option appears as expected and that taxes and totals calculate correctly. If something looks off, revisit the corresponding shipping option and adjust the price, tiers, regions, or carrier selections. With your shipping options configured, you're ready to process orders and print shipping labels confidently.